Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Fixin It, and today we're going to change the hatch supports on this 350z. Alright guys, if you have a 350z or any kind of hatchback car, you know that this happens. Your hatches, after a while, these struts don't support it anymore, so you need to change the struts. So the first thing you got to do is just grab yourself a pair of pliers and just lock this in place. Okay, so you can also use a broomstick or a 2x4 or something to hold this up. Alright, next thing you want to do is unscrew this ball socket, and that takes a 12mm. Let's do that. Alright guys, make sure you're holding the strut while you're removing it, because you don't want it to fall down and hit your paint, okay? So just lay it down here nice. Next thing you want to do is remove these two 10mm. Let's do that. Alright guys, now it's a good time to clean this up a little bit before you put the other strut on. Alright, this is your old strut, this is your new strut. Okay, so it looks the same pretty much. It comes with hardware. So this stuff is to give you the new little bold piece, and a couple of screws, a couple of washers. Alright guys, make sure when you put this on, this part is facing down. Okay, like that. Alright, next is installing this piece. I'm just gonna put it right in there. And you're gonna tighten it with a 13mm. Okay, next step is just pushing this into the ball. If it doesn't line up, just twist it. Twist the whole thing clockwise. Alright, and you might have to lift on the hatch. That's it, snaps in place. Alright, now you can take this off. And the hatch stays up with just the one, but I guarantee you it's gonna fall on your head if you take this one off. So you could either clamp that down again. I wouldn't recommend it because it's a brand new one. You don't want to mess it up. So get yourself a stick and just hold it up. And do the same thing on the other side. Alright, both sides are done. Now when you close it and you open it, you can lift it up with one finger. Nice. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.